Hi guys, so today nandito tayo sa kick-off meeting ng JC. Yan ito yung mga business partners natin. Nila Miss Ann Bacho, Ran Makadandang, Sir Carlito, at wow, bagong Rolls Royce. Grabe, yan ang House of Franchise. So again, kapatid, kung naghahanap ka ng negosyo ngayong 2024, alam mo nang gagawin, PM ka lang. Good morning!